Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make delicious chocolatey fudgy brownies. For this recipe, you will need chocolate, flour, butter, eggs, brown sugar or white sugar, baking powder. So we'll start by adding butter to the brown sugar. Ingredients and their quantities, you saw it in the beginning of the video and you will also find it in the description box below. So this is brown sugar, butter. To this I'm going to add chocolate chips. Now this is the mixture of dark chocolate and milk chocolate. You add it according to your taste. Now there is already brown sugar, so it's going to be sweet, so that's why I have a more portion of the dark chocolate compared to the milk chocolate. But if you like really sweet brownies, you can make the whole thing with the milk chocolate, or if you like less sweet, then you can use even the semi-sweet chocolate or just the dark chocolate. Okay, so now this we are going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. We'll take it out, stir it. If nothing is melted, we'll put it again for 30 seconds. Okay, don't go like 2 minutes, 1 minute straight away. Do 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay, so let's put this in the microwave. So in 30 seconds, this looks like this. The butter came to room temperature, but it's not yet melting. So I'm going to put more 30 seconds in. Okay, so this is good enough. Now I'm going to stir this. We are going to mix this all good until it comes to the room temperature, because we are going to add the eggs to it and we don't want this mixture to be hot. So mix it until it comes to the room temperature. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I will request you to please subscribe for more delicious recipes. I changed this silicone whisk to this metal one. This one is good for the non-stick pans and all, but it's not as strong. I will always trust this one. Once our batter comes to the room temperature, we'll go ahead and add our eggs. The easy way to tell if this is at the room temperature or not, super easy, you know what it is. Just put your clean finger in it, okay? And you can lick it off. There is no egg or anything. It's delicious, trust me. So let's go ahead and add our eggs. Once you add the eggs, this batter will turn into real thick. So go ahead and use your spatula. Time to add the flour. So to the flour, I'm adding the baking powder. And we're just simply going to sift all in here. Mix a little bit. Okay. Now we'll mix this all real good. Don't go crazy with it now. The flour will go everywhere. Just gently. It doesn't take long. It's already mixed. So I guess we are ready to put it in the pan. Our brownie batter is ready to go into the pan. This is 9 by 13 pan. So let's start pouring in. Flat it out. Now I'm going to add a variety of toppings to this pan. Here is some walnuts that I will add in one corner. Add what you like. Now I'm going to add some mint chocolate. So the rest I'm going to leave as it is. Now let's put this in the oven. The temperature of the oven is 325 Fahrenheit and I'm going to put this for around 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, so let's do that. In 35 to 40 minutes your brownie will be ready. Now don't cut it immediately. Have some patience. Let it come to the room temperature and then you can try it. Once the brownies are completely cooled down, we'll take it out from the pan. Now make sure you layer your pan with the parchment paper too, so it will be easy to lift it up. Our chocolatey, chewy, fudgy brownies are ready. It's so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.